CyberMedics empowers venture capital and private equity firms with custom dashboards that integrate Microsoft Dynamics and Power BI to streamline decision-making across all levels of the organization. By transforming complex, disparate data into actionable insights, these tailored dashboards provide high-level overviews for executives, operational performance tracking for portfolio managers, and deep analytics for associates and analysts. Core metrics such as internal rate of return, monthly recurring revenue, customer acquisition cost to lifetime value ratio, cash flow, and customer churn are visualized through dynamic, interactive interfaces, allowing users to filter data by company, region, or product line and assess trends with precision. Each dashboard is role-specific and built to align with individual priorities, enabling firms to identify opportunities, manage risk, and optimize returns. With extensive expertise in business intelligence and investment operations, CyberMedics delivers powerful tools that convert raw data into strategic value.